Namaskar, I am Kumari Drema Chorden Lee of class 3 from VKV Mukto. I am going to tell a story. The title of the story is the Fox and the Dog. Once upon a time, there was a clever fox. One day he boasted to a dog of his cleverness for escaping his enemies. He said to the dog, "I have a whole bag of tricks which tell me 100 ways of escaping from my enemies." The dog did not come in his tricks and said, "I have only one, but I can generally imagine with that." Suddenly, one lion started coming near to them. The dog immediately scrambled up the tree and hid himself in the branches. The dog said, "It is my plan. What are you going to do?" The fox threw first of one way, then of another, and at that first of one way, then of another, at that time the lion came to the fox and killed him. Moral of the story is better one safe way than 100. Thank you.